Dear learners, I hope you all are well by the grace of God. Today, I will discuss suffix and prefix. What is prefix? Prefix is a morpheme added at the beginning of a word and suffix is also a morpheme that is added to the end of a word. So dear learners, we know prefix is added at the beginning of a word and suffix is added at the end of a word. So look at the whiteboard. I will show you the use of suffix and prefix in a text. In your examination, a text will be given and you will have to complete the text, adding suffixes, prefixes or the both with the root words given in the parentheses. Dear learners, you see there is a text here and in this text there are some root words and these root words have been given in brackets and you will have to complete the text adding suffixes, prefixes or the both with the root words given in the parentheses. First of all, you have to read the sentence. Early rising is the habit of get up from bed early in the morning. Dear students, this is the first sentence of this text and in this first line there is a root word get and you have to add suffix or prefix or the both with the root word. So according to the meaning and the grammatical structure of the sentence, we can easily understand that here we have to add suffix. We have to add a suffix because here there is a preposition and after the preposition there is a verb like get. So we know after preposition the verb form is sense and we write V1 plus ing. So dear students, the answer of the question number A will be getting. So dear students, here ing suffix has been added to the root word and your answer will be getting. Then look at the next sentence in the text. An early rise can enjoy the fresh of the morning air. Dear students, here an early rise, this is a phrase and it is a noun phrase and in this noun phrase here the head word will be a noun and that's why we have to add a suffix at the end of the root word. What will be the appropriate suffix here? From the structure and meaning of the sentence, we can easily understand that here a noun will be used, a noun will be written and what is the noun? The noun will be riser. riser. Here er suffixes has been added. So the answer will be riser. An early riser can enjoy the fresh of the morning air. Dear students, here there is an article. Dear students, there is an article, and here there is a preposition. So before a preposition we usually use a noun. So if we want to form this word a noun, we have to add a suffix. Here ness suffix will be added to form the root word a noun. So here the answer will be freshness. Freshness. Dear students, look at the next line. Here, he can hear the melody songs of the birds. Dear students, here there is an article, and here there is a noun. So before a noun and after the article, we usually use an adjective. If we want to add adjective, if we want to form an adjective, we have to add a suffix to the root word. So what is the adjective form of the word melody? Yes, we know, melodious. So the word will be melodious. Dear students, here ios suffix has been added to form an adjective. And then look at the next line again. He can start his day's work early than others. Dear students, look at the word here, than. Than is a word that is used in comparison, that is used in comparative degree, and before than we have to write the comparative form of an adjective. Here early is an adjective, and the comparative form of the adjective will be written here. What is the comparative form of the word early? Yes, you know, earlier. So dear students, IER suffix has been added to form a comparative form of the adjective early. Earlier will be the answer. Then look at the next line. An early riser does not suffer from physics problems very often. Dear students, here problem, the word problems is a noun, and usually according to grammar, before a noun we usually use an adjective. But here the root word is not an adjective. What is the adjective form of the root word? Physics will be physical. The word physical is the adjective of physics. Here the answer will be physical. physical. Here L suffix has been added. Then so we need not go to any physic frequent. Yes, students. Here we have to form the word a noun. We have to make the root word a noun. Physic. Here the sense of here according to the sense of the sentence, here a doctor or physician will be the appropriate answer here. So what is the noun form of physic that indicates doctor? Physician. So dear students, so we need not go to any physician. Here suffix has been added to the end of the root word physic, and the appropriate word will be physician. And here the student, we know here we need an adverb. What is the adverb of the word frequent? Here frequently. Here the answer will be frequently. Here ly suffix has been added to form the word and adverb. And dear students, look at the last line of the text. Thus, an early riser enjoys very benefits. Dear students, here the word benefits is a noun, and before the noun we usually write an adjective. What is the adjective form of the word very? Various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various. Dear students, here I-O-S suffix has been added to form an adjective from the root word very. Here various is the right word in the gap. Now and leads a peace line. Look at the pattern, look at the structure here. There is an article and there is also a noun, and usually before noun we write an adjective. So what is the adjective form of the word peace? We have to add a suffix named full at the end of the word. Peaceful. Here full suffix has been added. Dear students, here the root word get will be getting. Here ing suffix has been added, and then here r suffix has been added, and here s suffix has been added, and here ios suffix has been added, and ir suffix has been added, and then l suffix has been added, and eon suffix has been added here, and ly suffix has been added in question number is, and ios suffix has been added in question number I, and full suffix has been added in question number 0. Dear students, in this way you will complete the text adding suffixes or prefixes or the both with the root words given in the parenthesis. I think you have understood. Next class I will give another text regarding using suffixes and prefixes. You will stay home and you will read attentively at home. Thank you very much. Bye.